privilege of bringing all 5 of my grandchildren in today for a wonderful adjustment with Dr. Jeff and Dr. Joe. My daughter went away on vacation and specifically texted me and asked me to please do this for her. So look out and see how they get adjusted.
Slide down a little bit. There you go. Take a deep breath in. Good. Okay, let's set up, face me. Perfect. On your side, right here. Bend that leg. Bend it, bend it, bend it, bend it. Got it. See this arm? Perfect. Look at you. Perfect. Breathe. Good job. How old are you? 9. 9? Yeah, hold it. Go ahead. No, you're good. Arms down. Good. That looks pretty good there. What are you, bodybuilder or something? Take a deep breath for me. Go all the way out. Lie down. And how old are you? 17? 5. You got a job yet?
No.
You gotta start working here. Come on, you gotta pay your way.
And you can see that leg is short on that right side, telling me that this pelvis is off and twisted there. The amount of pressure we use to adjust children is about the amount of pressure you would use to check the ripeness of a tomato. Go ahead, take a deep breath in for me, and let it all the way out. Whoa, that was like popcorn in there. Let's see, these leg lengths are still off. You can see that there. This is short on this side, so what I want you to do is turn this side up towards me. Lie on your side, arm underneath, like that. Top leg forward, just relax. Good job, buddy. Deep breath in. All the way out. Excellent. Because of this age, we're going to use the instrument in the neck. Face down right in the middle there. You're another 7 years old. Fantastic. How'd that feel? Good. All right.
All right, Sammy.
High five.
Joshy.
Yeah.
He's why you got high five.
High five, low five. Well, let's go.
Oh, Mark.
Yeah, I think your whole house is crooked on the right side there. Breath in for me. Oh, yeah.
Does he play hockey? He's getting slammed around by the hockey players. That's a problem.
Short that is.
Well, he
Right.
plays hockey. I guess so.
Excellent. Lie on your tummy one more time. I want to make sure those leg lengths are back in place where they should be. Wow. Look at that. Perfect. We adjust kids in the practice as early as birth all the way up to adolescence with cheering injuries and sports injuries. So stop at Hudak Chiropractic because we have a family practice.